Hi, this is Russ from Protect Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we are starting this job in Newport Richey, down at Gulf Harbors, and with this particular garage, what we're going to do is we're going to put a moisture vapor barrier down. But right now what we're doing is grinding, and we're addressing repairs and stuff like that. As you can see, we're removing a coating with the floor grinder. As you can see, we started the trim grinding in. Now this gentleman had a problem with the moisture from the outside, not from the slab up, but moisture getting in from the outside. So after we do the grinding and we put down our vapor barrier, there's going to be a contractor that's going to come in, and what he's doing right now, or I should say he's in the process of putting a barrier from the outside in. And that's definitely the problem, so we're going to help them out with that as well. This is the interior side of the same window I just showed from the exterior. So we could see this was really rough from the inside. So what we did was we ground this all off, the paint, etc., all the loose mortar. And you can see there's definitely water just waiting to get through here. So what we did was we ran the MVB up onto the wall and we sealed this all in too. So hoping that this would aid in remediating the homeowner's problem. Okay, so we're back. We sealed this floor around Thanksgiving time, I think. And that allowed the contractor to come in and put his membrane on top of ours, in addition to all the work that they did outside. It's after New Year's right now. We're back. It's funny how sometimes these jobs pan out, because I looked at this garage over a year ago, but he has got a good seal in here, man. Between what we did and the contractor did, this gentleman should have no problem whatsoever with moisture. So now what we're going to do is we're going to scratch this surface. We're going to abrade it so our epoxy sticks to everything. And we're going to put the floor in today. Okay, here's our project all finished up. Just finished putting the top coat on, UV stable polyaspartic top coat. This floor had a optional baseboard, and we did do a vapor barrier, as you saw in the previous segments. So then the contractor came in, he put a further vapor barrier, and it actually rained all day yesterday, and no water intrusion in here. So hopefully the homeowner has this problem licked. This is full diamond grinding. Small repairs. No control joints on this floor. This color is midnight, showing in and out of the sun. Really appreciate that top coat. There's a step into the house. That was coated in, chipped, epoxied. Some more details. The leading edge was squared up and rounded over. That's what that looks like. As I said earlier in the segments, they did have water intrusion, and I spoke to the homeowner, that was over a year ago actually, and then we kind of worked around the contractor who was putting in the vapor protection outside in. And we're back now, all finished up, job looks great. Homeowner saw the job, he was totally happy with it, didn't see top coating had to go. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
Pro Tech Epoxy Floors, New Port Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. Pro Tech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.